Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Vijay Sardesai has warned that Goa will be finished in next 5 years. He said BJP's strategy of Mujhe Ghar vote bank politics will make Goa a heaven for migrants. There is no place for Goans in Goa. If Goans don't unite, we will be finished. Next generation will not live in Goa and Goa will become an old age home where our children will only visit us, Sardesai warned. In future MLAs and even Chief Minister will be migrants. Progressive Goan forces have to unite, Vijay said.
आणि 5 वर्षांत गोंय उरचें ना. ऑलरेडी लांबाणी सरपंच जाल्ली आहा. भायल्यांचो इन्फ्लक्स इतलो आसा. बीजेपीचे म्हजें घर म्हणजे ते वोट बँक पॉलिटिक्साचो स्टेप. क्लियर कट गोंयकाराक गोंयांत स्थान ना अशें सरकार दाखोवंक सोदता. हे टायमार गोंयकारां मदीं जर एकवट जायना जाल्यार गोंयकाराक गोंयांत फुडारूच आसचो ना. फुडली पिळगी आमची गोंयांत रावची ना. फक्त दिस विल बी अ विजिटींग ओल्ड एज होम. आमी जाणटे जातले आनी आमची भुरगीं फक्त विजीट करून वतली. इतलेंच गोंय उरतलें आनी गोंयचे सरपंच जे ते जाले ते आमदार ते जातले आनी एक दीस मुख्यमंत्री तो जातलो. ही परिस्थिती गोंयांत जावपाची आहा. हाजे खातीर इट इज हाय टायम दॅट progressive pro-Goan forces have to unite. There is no second option. And if the people who have to take the responsibility to unite are not taking that responsibility, then there will be a replacement for those people. There will be somebody else who will don the mantle and do it. So I feel that we should buckle up and move fast. नाजाल्यार आमकां बस चुकतली.